Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix language bar missing from Taskbar in Windows 11. So basically, this is an extremely simple setting. The first thing that you want to do is to navigate through the setting of your Windows 11. Now inside this page, you then want to simply select on time and language. Now on some other cases, you will be able to see the typing option right here. So just navigate through that specific option, but in my case, I then have to click on the language option. From here, you want to make sure that you select on English, and then you want to navigate through the keyboard settings. Now, once again, if you just click on typing, you will then be instantly taken to this page, but in my case, you then want to navigate through language, keyboard, and then we are inside the typing settings. From here, you want to make sure that the use the desktop language bar when enabled is checked right here. Now, with that, you have successfully fixed the language bar missing from the taskbar in Windows 11. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.